Creating an inviting and visually appealing front-of-house flower garden can significantly enhance the overall aesthetic of your property, making it stand out while also fostering a welcoming atmosphere. The right floral arrangement not only reflects your personal style, but also enhances curb appeal, making a lasting impression on visitors and passersby. Here are some professional insights and inspirations for developing a stunning front-of-house flower garden. Designing with purpose. When planning your flower garden, consider the overall architecture of your home and the landscape surrounding it. A well-designed garden should complement the existing features of your property. For instance, pairing tall, vertical flowers with low-growing ground covers can create a dynamic visual contrast that draws the eye. Incorporate pathways or borders to define space and guide visitors through your garden. Seasonal color schemes. One of the most effective ways to keep your front-of-house flower garden vibrant year-round is to choose a diverse selection of plants that bloom in different seasons. Consider perennials for consistent blooms and annuals for seasonal splashes of color. Color schemes can also be thoughtfully arranged to reflect seasonal changes. Warm hues for summer, rich earth tones for fall, and cool muted colors for winter. layering textures and heights. Using a variety of plant heights and textures can add depth and interest to your garden. Taller flowers such as delphiniums or hollyhocks can serve as focal points, while shorter varieties such as pansies or marigolds provide a lush, colorful base. Incorporating foliage plants such as ferns or ornamental grasses can also create a textural contrast that enhances visual appeal. Incorporating hardscape elements. To elevate your front-of-house flower garden, consider integrating hardscape features like stone pathways, wooden trellises, or decorative borders. These elements not only provide structure, but also help define the space and create a harmonious balance between natural and man-made components. Decorative features such as birdbaths or garden sculptures can serve as focal points that complement the surrounding flora. Sustainable practices. Embracing environmentally friendly gardening practices can enhance the beauty of your flower garden while also benefiting the local ecosystem. Opt for native plants, which are well adapted to your climate and require less maintenance and resources. Implementing rainwater harvesting systems or using organic fertilizers can contribute to a sustainable front-of-house flower garden that thrives. Personal touches. Finally, your front of house flower garden should reflect your personality and style. Incorporate personal touches such as unique plant choices, custom signage, or meaningful garden ornaments that tell a story. This personal flair will make your garden not just a visual delight, but also a true extension of your home. In conclusion, developing a creative front-of-house flower garden requires thoughtful planning and design. By considering the structure, seasonal blooms, diverse textures, hardscape elements, sustainability, and personal touches, you can create a vibrant and inviting garden that enhances your home's exterior. With these inspirations, your front-of-house flower garden can become a stunning showcase of creativity and beauty, welcoming all who approach.